Hi everyone, I'm Dr.D.Princy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Cyber Security, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, I'm going to explain the concept of Python list. A list are generally used to store multiple items in a single variable. The list of items can be enclosed with square brackets. The items are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate values. Ordered means first item having an index 0, second item having an index 1, third item having an index 2, etc. Changeable means after allocating the elements items in the list, if you want, you can change in future. Duplicate values means list of items can be repeated at any number of times. Accessing the items. We can access the items in a list using by referring the index number. The first item start with the index 0, the second one, and so on. For example, this list is the list name and it have three elements: apple, banana, cherry. Apple having the index 0, banana having the index 1, and cherry having the index 2. If I want to access the element banana, I can refer the index 1. So this is an example. Print of this list is the list name, of 1 is the index number, the result value is banana. Negative indexing. Suppose if we want to refer a list of items from the end, we have to use negative indexing. Negative index start from -1 for the last element, -2 for the second last item, -3 for the third last item, etc. For example, in the same list, if you want to accessing the last item, that is cherry, I can use the index number as -1. The result value is cherry. Range of index. We can also specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end the range. We could not, that means list allowed us to accessing a range of items, not only a single item. When specifying a range, the return value will be the new list. It is not a single value. It will create an output as a new list with the specified items. For example, the list have 6 items: apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, and melon. Suppose I want only the items cherry, orange, and kiwi, that is third, fourth, and fifth item. I can use the range. In my last video, I explained what is range. The syntax of range, it's starting index, colon, ending index. The same syntax followed here also. Print of list 1 is the list name. Within the square bracket, I specify the range as 2:5. So it includes only 2, 3, 5. It does not include the fifth item. So the end index does not include it. Up to the end index value only it will take. So the result value is cherry, orange, kiwi. Suppose in some situation we want to retrieve a list of items from in between position till the end of the list. That time we can omit the end index value. By leaving out of the end value, the range will go on the end of the list by default. For example, list 1 having the same 6 items: apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi, and melon. Suppose I want the items from 2. Second index refer the third item till the end of the list means I no need to specify the end index value. That is list 1 of 2 colon. I didn't mention the index value. That means it goes to the end of the list. The resultant list is cherry, orange, kiwi, and melon. Change list items. As I said in the earlier, list items are ordered, changeable. Changeable means after assigning the items to the list, if you want, you can change in future. For example, This list having the value apple, banana, cherry at first. I'm changing the value banana to blackcurrant. So this list of 1 refers the second item. The second item is banana. I'm assigning to that index is blackcurrant. Now the value banana is changed to blackcurrant. Changing the list item is simply assigning a new value to the specified index. Change a range of item values. Suppose if you want to change a number of items in a sequence, we can use the range instead of specifying an individual index number. To change the value of items, we can define the new values by using the range of index number. List 1 having the items apple, banana, cherry, orange, kiwi and melon. So I want to change the items from 1 to 3. That means 1 to not 3. 3 will not be included. So one is banana, third item is cherry, which having the index 2. I changed those items with the values blackcurrant and watermelon. So the resultant value is apple, blackcurrant, watermelon, orange, kiwi and melon. Thank you all.